Hey there, thigh enthusiasts. Today, I want to talk to you about an incredible product that will bring a whole new level of relaxation to your outdoor space: the Hammock Thigh Kit. This thigh hammock kit is the perfect way to add a touch of comfort and style to your backyard or camping trip. But before you rush to purchase, I want to remind you to reach out to our customer service team. We want to make sure you have all the necessary information and guidance before starting your hammock thigh project. Now, let's talk about why this thigh hammock kit is a game changer. Not only does it allow you to customize and personalize your own hammock, but it also provides a sense of accomplishment and pride in creating something with your own hands. Imagine lounging in your custom-made hammock, surrounded by the beauty of nature, knowing that you created this oasis of relaxation all on your own. It's a feeling like no other. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor lounging experience to the next level, I encourage you to click the link in the description and get your hands on this thigh hammock kit. Our customer service team is standing by to assist you every step of the way, so don't hesitate to reach out. Subscribe to our channel for more thigh inspiration, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to start your hammock thigh project. Thank you for watching, and happy hammock making!